children, welcome to my channel. Children, in this video I'm going to start third chapter Refraction of Light at Plane Surfaces. Before explaining the phenomenon of refraction of light, first let me explain about light. Children, can you tell what is mean by light? Okay, light is a form of energy that enables us to see all the things around us. The main source of light on the earth is the sun. Children, in your previous classes 8th and 9th, you studied about sound, and already you know that sound does not propagate through vacuum and it requires a medium for propagation. But light doesn't need any matter or material to carry its energy along. These light rays basically consist of electromagnetic radiation, and the speed of the light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Children, next let me explain about rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light refers to the tendency of light to travel along a straight line. Here, the term rectilinear is a fancy word for straight. In this, we have two types. They are ray of light and beam of light. First one is ray of light. A line drawn in the direction of propagation of light is called a ray of light. Next one is beam of light. A group of rays of light emitted by a source of light is called a beam of light. Children, again a light beam is of three types. They are parallel beam of light, convergent beam of light and divergent beam of light. Parallel beam of light. A group of light rays parallel to each other is known as parallel beam of light. The distance between rays is same. Examples for this parallel beam of light are the rays of sun entering a room through an open window and the rays of light coming out of spotlight constitutes parallel beam of light rays. Next, convergent beam of light. A group of light rays meeting at a point is called convergent beam of light. The distance between the rays goes on decreasing till all the rays meet at a point. Examples for this convergent beam of light are the rays received by camera or converging on lens and the rays entering in our eyes converging on retina. Divergent beam of light rays. A group of light rays spreading out from a source of light is called divergent beam of light. The distance between the rays goes on increasing. The examples for this divergent beam of light are rays coming out from burning candle, rays coming out from the car headlights and the rays coming out from light bulb. Children, this is a small introduction about light. I know you understood it very well, and next move on to two different phenomena of light. They are reflection of light and refraction of light. Reflection of light. When a ray of light approaches a smooth polished surface and the light ray bounces back, it is called the reflection of light. The ray which is falling on the reflecting surface is called incident ray, and the ray that bounces back is called the reflected ray. If perpendicular to be drawn on reflecting surface, it would be called normal. The angle between incident ray and normal is called as angle of incidence, and the angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. Children, can you tell what are the laws of reflection? Okay. First law of reflection is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Next, second law of reflection is incident ray, reflected ray and normal all or lie in the same plane. Okay, children, I hope till now you have recalled the concepts what you have learned in your earlier classes. And next, move on to discuss about refraction of light. Children, the most important point is speed of the light in space is constant, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But when the light enters on earth, the speed of light depends on medium. Here, medium means either solids, liquids or gases. For example, air, water, glass, etc. The speed of light in air is slightly less than the speed of light in vacuum. In the same way, speed of light in water and glass is much less than that in air. The speed of the light depends upon the optical density of the material or medium. Generally, we know density means mass by volume, but it is not an optical density. It is a physical density. Optical density of a material relates to the sluggish tendency of the atoms of a material. Here, the word sluggish means moving slow, means the more optically dense that a material is, the slower that a light will move through the material. For your better understanding, let me explain it with an example. Take air and water. The speed of the light in air is 2.99 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the speed of the light in water is 2.2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So, in these two mediums, the light travels more faster in air than in water, which means in air and water, the speed of the light is more in air and less in water. So, the air contains less optical density and the water contains more optical density. Okay, children, now you understood that when light travels from one medium to another, the speed of light varies from one medium to another. This process is called as refraction of light. Children, what is refraction of light? The process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another is called refraction of light. This is one definition of refraction of light. Next, in the process of refraction, the light ray bends at an interface of two mediums, except when it is incident normally. Next, optical medium. The medium through which light can propagate is called as optical medium. Types of optical medium are transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. Transparent medium. The substance which allows the light completely to pass through it is called as transparent substance or transparent medium. Examples are air, water, and glass, etc. Translucent medium. The substance which allows the light partially to pass through it is called translucent substance or translucent medium. Example, tracing paper, oil paper, grease paper, etc. Next, opaque medium. The substance which does not allow light to pass through it is called as opaque medium. Example, wood, wall, and metals, etc. Children, the last topic in this video is what is rarer medium and what is denser medium. Rarer medium. The medium which has less optical density is called as rarer medium, or the velocity of a light is more in a medium when compared with another medium. We call first medium as rarer medium. Next, denser medium. The medium which has more optical density is called as denser medium, or the velocity of a light is less in a medium when comparing with another medium. We call first medium as denser medium. Take air and water. The speed of the light in air is more than water. So, air acts as a rarer medium because the speed of the light is high, and water acts as a denser medium. Next, consider glass and water. The speed of the light in water is more than glass. So, here water acts as rarer medium and glass acts as denser medium. When the light ray travels from rarer medium to denser, it bends towards the normal. The speed of the light decreases when it travels from rarer to denser. Similarly, when the light ray travels from denser medium to rarer, it bends away from the normal. If the light ray is passing through normal, it is undeviated. Okay children, I think you understood the concepts what I have explained in this video. In my next video, I will explain refraction of light with some activities. So keep watching my videos like this only, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.